Bishop to be together with the city leaders to organize this event together so that we may see a way forward, not only for the city, but also for the whole environment of Lango sub-region. Lango sub-region is mainly in a rural area setting, and most of our people need guidance at this moment. And I thank the leadership for trying to begin to do something together so that both political, religious, and cultural, plus business community, and also the civil servant, we are trying to form a formidable force to help us understand the issue on environment, ecology. Ecology is actually how your home is affected by everything God has created. Your relationship to the creature of God. Everything that God has given you, you are related. That's called ecology. Now, in this, we are saying, in summary, for our people, that everybody should get involved in plastic, caring for plastic, and making sure that we put them in their right place for recycling. There is no way we found we can stop it immediately, but if we begin to manage it from home, and that's why we said every home should have a sack where they manage all the plastics. Anything that cannot rot, you take and put it in that sack for further management. And in that regard, we have thanked the Mukwano and other smaller groups who are assisting in caring and taking for collecting these for recycling. And I think this will be successful. We as the churches and we as cultural leaders also, we are trying to work together to make sure that we clean our place from this deadly plastic which is suffocating the earth. And if we don't do it, we can easily run the risk of destroying all the grass and making the place a desert. So all of us have decided, and with the young ones in all the schools, they are determined to work together to make sure that the environment is clean from plastic. The second is erosion. Erosion begins from under your roof, in your compound. And because of that, all compounds be planned in such a way that the planting of flowers, planting of fruit trees, and also planting of the lawn should make sure that it controls all the soil that is beginning to move from your roof going down to the river. And this one we found everybody in the home can do it. And we say planting of the compound is very paramount, and also planting of fruit trees in the compound, not only the flowers, but fruit trees, because we have taken a move of being a family and controlling our appetite in the family and how we can manage fruit trees and others.
If we want to reverse the trend of environmental degradation, environmental pollution, these are the young cadres that we need to bring on board to ensure that they walk the talk, to ensure that our town is smart and green. So, you know, first of all, for the church, there are so many congregants which goes to the church, and you know, this event has been blessed by the Bishop, Lira Diocese, His Lordship, Linus Wanok, and as I said, many people go to church for service, and all these people, they listen to proceedings in church. So we have been noticing that the church, the Anglican Church, the Catholic faith, the Muslim fraternity are all preaching environmental conservation initiative. So it's very important for the church to lead the way as a way of mobilizing the community in their various parishes to ensure that they go back with the good message to ensure that afterwards we can evaluate easily through the church and make sure that all these Christians, they heed to the advice of the preachers. So it's also easy to do it through the schools because first of all, the schools, there are very many pupils, there are very many students who hail from various corners of this world, various corners of these cities, villages, name it. So if they go back to their various destinations, if we target them, that would be our foot soldiers at the various community level to ensure that the messages that they receive today on this World Environment Day goes down to the very last person at the grassroots level.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.